On Friday, the police reported that a band of thieves dressed in PPE kits covertly entered a mobile showroom in Meerut. They allegedly escaped with goods valued at rupees 60 lakhs. The incident occurred in the Ganganagar area on Wednesday, October 17th night. The incident came to police attention when the owner of the mobile showroom unlocked its shop on Thursday morning. According to UP police, the thieves entered the shop through the vacant plot next to the showroom. The owner immediately contacted the local police once he realized in the morning that several items were missing from the showroom. Upon receiving information about the incident, when the police arrived at the scene, they discovered that the thieves had made off with roughly 100 mobile phones. Meerut Additional Superintendent of Police said, and I quote, "There has been a robbery in the Ganganagar police station area. As per the initial report, around 100 mobile phones were robbed. One of the thieves, who is masked, is captured on CCTV. The investigation is underway." The main motto of this unique way of stealing, wearing PPE, personal protective equipment kits, was to hide from the CCTV cameras. It was a calculated move to elude the constant surveillance of cameras. As a result, they left behind virtually no clues that could be readily linked to their real identities. Prior to this incident, thieves had already employed the tactic of stealing while dressed in PPE kits. In 2021, a daring individual infiltrated a jewelry showroom in Delhi, concealed with a PPE kit, and purportedly made off with a staggering 25 kg of gold valued at rupees 13 crore. This method of using PPE kits for the theft emerged during the COVID-19 pandemic, when such kits were in high demand, especially for the healthcare professionals. It worked as a safety tool for working professionals during the COVID-19 phase. The widespread adoption of this method for stealing has understandably raised concerns among law enforcement agencies regarding safety and security. What is your opinion on this? What is the most effective strategy to counteract this tactic? Please share your thoughts in the comments below.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.